It is a surface-mounted type geomagnetic parking sensor, with radar detecting based on standard LoRaWan protocol to detecting with the highest reliability if a parking space is occupied or are available. The easy retrofit solution for off-street parking is installed in minutes. When it detects that there is a car parked in or leaving the parking space, the status information of the parking space will be sent to a LoRa gateway, and the gateway will transmit the information to LoRa network server. Then LoRa network server will decode the LoRa data and interface with the smart parking platform to achieve real-time management of park. Easy to install in ground. It is widely used in urban roadside parking space and other application scenarios.